Hey everybody, so I got to the point where I kind of want to see where I'm at with this, so I hooked it up to the wife's car, and I'm going to hook a camera up, and as you can see I redneck the wiring. They got some cheap LED lights with side markers, and they also have the front side markers as well for 28 bucks. But anyway, I got it all rigged up, all hooked up to the car. I'm going to put the camera here and go for a ride just to kind of see how she rides. I got the wide angle lens. I don't know how it's going to come out. I'm going to redneck it as well and put it on with this tape, and I hope she stays. I got some zip ties too I might do. The next shot you see, you'll see me going down the road. I'm going to hit the highway quickly too. Hey everybody, so I ended up rigging the camera up to the roof rack of the car, so I don't know what you're actually seeing because I had to tape it on and zip tie so all the viewfinders closed and stuff like that. So hopefully it's good view when I go down. So that noise you hear from time to time, I had no idea my roof rack makes that noise until I loaded a camera up there, and now I know. As you can see, this next section is incredibly bumpy, so it's a good test before I hit the highway in high speeds, see if everything holds together. It does bounce a bit, but there is no weight in the back, obviously, so I'm pretty happy so far. So because this is where I live and I drive these streets daily, you'll see me come up here and swerve to my right and hit a large pothole. It does bounce a little bit, but surprisingly for how big I know the pothole is and how light the trailer is, we're only at about 250 pounds right now, maybe 300. So I'm pretty happy. So as I enter the highway, you'll see a series of micro bumps. So it does bump along a little bit, but I was happy the whole time. Even in the bigger bumps, didn't have no big, ugly, off the ground bumps as far as I've seen. So once I load it up, and especially when I get off road, and I can take away some air pressure as well on the tires, I think we'll be good. You'll see as I'm running this corner at speed and I get a little close to the white line, there's a rut in it and it pulls the trailer into it. But it self-rights itself pretty well, so I'm pretty happy. I can't wait to get some weight on there and go for a real boot. So as I head home, I thought I'd explain a few things that are coming up. I'll be finish welding the trailer, prepping it for primer and paint. I'm going to use a self-etching primer. Then I'm going to use a one of those, I think, Raptor bed liner I'm going to use. I'm not too sure if that's the one I'm going to use, but one of those harder coats anyway for the whole entire bottom of the trailer and fenders. And like I said, I'm putting an aluminum plate on the fenders, so the black contrast with the aluminum diamond plate is going to look kind of sweet, I think. Anyway, guys, You got to give a like and a subscribe to a father who gets his kid some ice cream when she's sick. Okay, I may have got myself some too. Anyway, cheers.